Remember this place? You might recognize it. Snaked it. This is where the sewer was backed up and it almost blew up in my face. 3 weeks later, it's backed up again. I told them it's full of scale, they need to hydrojet it. Didn't want to, so here we are again. Cleared it. Did you hear that? Cleared it. I'm gonna keep going though. So we got a massive root intrusion in multiple areas, so I'm going to get the descaling chains and chain all that out. This is how hot it is. Look at that. It's freaking 100 degrees out here, dude. Watch. This is why descaling chains are the best. Got the water flowing. I got it good that time, bro. I got all the roots out. All 50 feet. And that's really the only way you're gonna get the roots out, is with the chains. I mean, it's the easiest way because you can have the camera in there at the same time and get it right on the spot. Whereas if you have a snake in there, and I guess you could have a camera in there, but you couldn't. If you have your snake in there and the camera, you can't really go full bore with the snake, because it could potentially bind up on the camera. But we're all the way at the main, city main right there, so pull it back. Make sure that it's all clear, but I've been flushing it out. I'm gonna flush out a little bit and should be good, dude. That's it, man.